today I'm going to be using a product I haven't used in years. I swear I literally used to use this when I was a kid. My mom used to use this on my hair, and I was so excited when I saw it in Walmart. So I'm super excited to revisit the Queen Helene Super Cholesterol Deep Conditioner. And if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So I do have an announcement. I'm so excited to announce that we are having a 30% off Pride Month sale. So for the end of the month, we're having a 30% off sale. Just use the coupon Pride and you can get 30% off of all our products, all of our ebooks, our routines, everything on miriamhampton.com. So head over there to shop all of your hair growth needs. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. My hair dries so quickly. So I am going to re-wet it, but I'm going to go ahead and apply a few pumps of the Queen Helene Deep Conditioner. Now, this conditioner, everything about it is super nostalgic to me. The packaging, the smell of it, all of it, it just brings back so many good memories for me. So this product is specifically formulated for dry, damaged, chemically treated, or over-processed hair. So if you have a relaxer, this will be really, really great for you. Or if you have color-treated hair, which you guys know I do have color-treated hair, it will be good for you as well. Now, having my own product line, I've educated myself as well as invested in, product development and chemist and learning the best ingredients to put into products. So, of course, my first thought is to look at the ingredient list on this product because, back in the day, we weren't as I would say we just weren't as educated as we are today on knowing what to put in our hair and what to eat and everything, everything health wise. I think it was a little bit more lenient. So, some of the ingredients in this product are not ingredients that I, for one, would prefer to use on my hair. For instance, mineral oil, sodium lauryl sulfate. Just some of these ingredients just is not great ingredients to have in hair products. But I still wanted to try it out to see if I loved it as much as I did as a kid. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I kind of cringed at the ingredient list. I was like, whoa, okay, so this is definitely not something that I would use more than like once every 3 months. Now, I remember when I was a kid, my mom used to put a lot of this stuff on my hair. Like, she used to literally saturate my hair with this stuff, which is good because this is a really huge container for the price. It's literally only $5 for this huge container. And I really like that they incorporated a pump because they didn't have a pump back in the day. So you put this all over your entire head of hair, including your scalp, which I also love. I love products and conditioners that I can easily apply to my scalp. Go ahead and put on my shower cap. And this product is used best with heat. So I have low porosity hair and I'm a heat girl. Like I love deep conditioning my hair with heat because it helps to penetrate my hair shaft. But this one specifically says that you should do it. But I was going to do it anyway because that's just how I am. All right. So I left this on my hair for about 20 minutes and then I started the detangling process. And I will tell you if a conditioner is good or not by the way it detangles my hair. Okay. So I really, really liked how well this conditioner detangled my hair. I also used my defining brush that are available on miriamhampton.com. And this brush actually helps define the curls as well as detangles. So I used this brush and I detangled each section, and it was really, really easy for me to detangle my hair. Now, do you guys see how defined my curls are? They look so, so good, and it was so easy to detangle my hair. And when I was a kid, we didn't have very many options when it came to like natural hair products or products for, my hair type or curly, kinky curls like what I have. And I'm just grateful that, we were able to experience and expand and, have so many options in this day and age. So as far as using this product again, I probably won't use this product again just because the ingredient list kind of scared me. But um I am really, really happy that I was able to revisit this and just go down memory lane and just smell the product. Even just the smell of it just made me so happy. I definitely want to do a video about, what are good ingredients in products and what are bad ingredients in products and stuff like that in the future. If you're interested in that, please let me know down below in the comment section. But this is the amount of hair that came out, and this is actually a very, very good amount of hairs come out. We shed 100 hairs a day, and that's normal. So if you're shedding more than 100 hairs a day, then that's excessive shedding, and that's something that you have to keep an eye on. But this is actually really, really good. All right, y'all. So this is how my hair looks before I went ahead and rinsed all the product out of my hair, and super, super moisturized, super healthy looking. But yeah, this is how my hair looks after I rinsed out all of the product. And then this is how my hair looks when it is dry. But yeah, that is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what was your favorite hair product to use as a child, and maybe I'll do a video about it. But yeah, give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed for new videos. And make sure to follow me on all of my social media, TikTok, Instagram at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Growth. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!